Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Center. Friday started off with light rain and drizzle over parts of the west coast, but it's going to become dry very quickly over these parts of South Africa. However, we are expecting isolated rain and thundershowers across the Southern Cape areas and more intense thunderstorms across the rest of the Eastern Cape, much of KwaZulu-Natal, extending northwards through the Free State into Gauteng and the northwest. And in the afternoon, we should see the storm spreading eastwards into much of Mpumalanga and the Limpopo province. But the weather is going to become quieter as we head towards the evening across the central and western interior. Now we have here this cold front which is slowly edging towards our shores. We are going to see scattered to widespread thunderstorms this Friday in the areas you see the dark shade of blue and the shade of purple, and isolated rain and thunderstorms can be expected in the areas where you see the lighter shades of blue, and that also includes the southwest coastline where just a 20% chance of drizzle is expected. Isolated to scattered thunderstorms are forecast across the northwest, extending through Gauteng into Limpopo and Mpumalanga. It's going to be comfortably warm in Gauteng this afternoon, but hotter as we go towards Limpopo and the Mpumalanga province. Scattered to widespread thunderstorms are possible for much of the Free State as well as over parts of KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape, where Grahamstown and Bishop should warm to around 27 degrees. We are also going to have unsettled weather along much of the east coast, but light rain is forecast for Port Elizabeth, where a high of 29 is expected. Thundershowers are forecast for the western areas of the Eastern Cape and the eastern sections of the Western Cape, where highs in the lower 30s are forecast in most areas. It's going to be sunny for Worcester and Robertson. We are expecting a bit of rain for parts of the south coast, where light to moderate winds are forecast in most areas. Stronger winds are forecast, however, as we go towards Cape Agulhas. It's going to be sunny and sizzling hot for Appington, but thundershowers are forecast for the eastern areas of the Northern Cape. A bit of drizzle can be expected over parts of the west coast, including around Cape Town, where it's going to become partly cloudy and dry this afternoon, warming to 26 degrees. On Saturday, we could see a bit of rain around Cape Town and over parts of the east coast. Thundershowers for the southeastern interior and across eastern South Africa. Thundershowers are forecast on Sunday for the northeastern areas and the interior of the Eastern Cape. Light rain for Cape Town and George. Then on Christmas Day, we could see late thundershowers in Gauteng with a high of around 30 degrees, sunny and hot in Bloemfontein. Light rain in the morning for Cape Town and Port Elizabeth, spreading into Durban in the afternoon.